Hey there, green thumbs. It's that time of year again, when we can give our gardens a little TLC, and get some free plants in the process. Today, we're diving into the art of dividing perennials in August, and trust me, it's a game changer for your garden's health and your wallet. August is prime time for this gardening hack, and I'm here to share why. So, why divide plants in August? Well, it's all about timing and plant health. Julian Palphramand, a plant expert, suggests that August is ideal for lifting and splitting certain perennials, especially those that are congested or flowering less. This simple act can rejuvenate your garden and save you money on new plants. Let's talk about some specific varieties. First up, irises. These beauties respond well to division once they've finished flowering. Julian recommends picking a cool day and replanting immediately. It's like giving your plants a breath of fresh air, and it's a great way to prevent overcrowding. Now, here's a fun fact. Did you know that daylilies, despite their name, only last for 24 hours? But don't let that deter you. These tough flowers can be divided in late summer, and their blooms are even edible. Richard Barker, a horticultural expert, suggests dividing them once they've finished flowering and replanting with care. Moving on to hostas. These eye-catching plants can quickly outgrow their space, so dividing them is essential. You can do this by hand for smaller hostas, or with a knife for larger ones. It's a great way to control their spread and get new plants for free. Lady's Mantle, with its vibrant lime green flowers, is another favorite. Lucie Bradley, a gardening expert, advises dividing it when the center becomes woody and blooms decrease. This process refreshes the plant and ensures its longevity. Lastly, we have Oriental Poppies. These stunning flowers can be divided after 5 years, when they are past their prime. Lucie explains that August is perfect, as they are coming out of summer dormancy. Just be careful with their long tap roots when dividing. In my opinion, what makes this gardening technique so fascinating is that it's like giving your plants a second chance at life. You're not just maintaining your garden, you're actively improving it. And the best part? You get to enjoy new plants without spending a dime. Personally, I find it incredibly satisfying to see a congested plant thrive after dividing it. It's like solving a puzzle and watching the pieces fall into place. Plus, it's a great way to learn about plant care and propagation. One detail I want to emphasize is the importance of timing. August provides the perfect balance of warmth and cooling temperatures, allowing plants to establish before winter. It's a small window of opportunity that can make a big difference. What many people don't realize is that dividing plants isn't just about aesthetics. It's a form of plant maintenance that promotes overall health and longevity. It's like giving your plants a spa day, and they'll thank you for it with vibrant growth. This gardening practice also connects to a broader trend of sustainability. By dividing plants, we're reducing waste and maximizing resources. It's a simple, eco-friendly way to enhance our gardens and contribute to a greener world. In conclusion, dividing perennials in August is a win-win for both your garden and your wallet. It's a fun, educational process that allows you to be creative and resourceful. So, get out there, assess your garden, and give dividing a go. You'll be amazed at the results and the satisfaction it brings. Happy gardening!